pen, no book. Just listen, speak and learn. Fluent speakers are not smarter. They just practice differently. In this video, we learn basic question and answering conversation. So, let's get started. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Rohan. My name is Rohan. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Delhi. I'm from Delhi. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 30 years old. I'm 30 years old. Do you speak English well? Do you speak English well? I am learning English now. I am learning English now. How long have you been studying English? How long have you been studying English? For about 3 months. For about 3 months. Why are you learning English? Why are you learning English? I need it for my job. I need it for my job. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? I am doctor. I am doctor. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Yes, I love helping people. Yes, I love helping people. Where do you work? Where do you work? I work at City Hospital. I work at City Hospital. How long have you worked there? How long have you worked there? For 3 years now. For 3 years now. Is it far from your home? Is it far from your home? No, it's about 15 minutes away. No, it's about 15 minutes away. What kind of car do you have? What kind of car do you have? I have a small blue car. I have a small blue car. Do you like driving? Do you like driving? Yes, but traffic is sometimes bad. Yes, but traffic is sometimes bad. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in an apartment downtown. I live in an apartment downtown. Do you live alone? Do you live alone? No, I live with my roommate. No, I live with my roommate. Is your roommate nice? Is your roommate nice? Yes, she is very friendly. Yes, she is very friendly.